Okay, we just finished reading Troika, Canine Superhero. Now, do you know what a canine is, McKaylee?
No.
Okay. After reading this book, what do you think canine is? What was like?
Like a super or kind of dog?
Okay, how do you know that it was a kind of dog?
I think it's a kind of dog.
Okay, well you're right. It is a kind of dog. Canine is another name for dog.
Okay,
And
good.
why did you guess that after reading this book?
Because there's a lot of dogs in it, and they're talking about dogs and
Okay.
stuff.
Good. Now, what I'm going to do is I have picked a word from each page, okay? And I'm going to read a couple of those sentences around the word, and I want you to tell me, and then I'll tell you the word, and I want you to tell me if you know what it means. Okay?
Okay.
All right. This dog was different from the day he was born. The other puppies in the litter scrambled over each other. Okay, the word is litter. Do you know what litter means?
No, but we have a cat, and I think it's the kind of litter because my mom buys litter for my cat.
Okay, so she buys litter for the cat.
Mm-hmm.
And what's she do with the litter that she buys for the cat?
She puts it where my cat goes to the bathroom at.
Okay. So after I read this sentence, would it make sense for that kind of litter to go here? Let me read the sentence again with litter. The other puppies in the litter scrambled over each other. You think that would make sense? The cat litter that your mom buys for the cats to go potty?
No.
Okay. So what do you think it might mean here then? The other puppies in the litter scrambled over each other.
Like puppies?
Okay. So do you think it's the other puppies?
Yeah.
So do you think there are quite a few puppies that would be what a litter would be? Would that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, here's the next word. I should have known that the smell of the deer would attract them, but I didn't think of it until a hungry bear had knocked me down. All right, so the word that we're looking at is attract. Do you know what attract means?
Like when I was little, I was attracted to a binky.
Okay, when you were little, you were attracted to a binky. Okay, so what do you think attract means then?
But when I was little, I was attracted to it. It's like I never stopped.
Okay, so you always wanted the binky?
Mm-hmm.
So you really liked it?
Yeah, I really
So
liked.
does attracted mean you liked it?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. I should have known that the smell of the deer would attract them. So would that make sense? The smell of the deer would attract, they would like it. They would like the smell of deer.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, the next one. The wet snow was stained scarlet with his blood. Do you know what scarlet means?
Mm-mm.
Okay. What do you think it means by reading this? The wet snow was stained scarlet with his blood.
Like a kind of blood.
Okay, so you think it's a kind of blood?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's stained.
Like the cold blood and hot blood, warm blood.
Okay.
Warm blood.
Would that make sense here? The wet snow was stained with it. Was stained scarlet with his blood. So would that make sense?
No.
So what do you think scarlet might be here?
I don't know.
What color is blood?
Red?
Okay, red. Do you think red? Do you think scarlet might mean red?
Yeah.
Okay, let me read it again and see if that makes sense then. The wet snow was stained scarlet